We heard a cat while walking and decided to save her. We tried calling 911 because the hood engine was extremely hot.
Really hot. Yeah. It doesn't open?
They transferred us to a animal shelter line, but they were closed. God had different plans.
Oh,
You filming?
yeah, but it's not our car.
I have to open the door.
Yeah, but it's a baby cat. It's someone's life.
Just come here.
The owner left their doors open.
Oh my god.
We're not getting anything from the car.
You guys are witnesses.
Getting the cat.
It was meant to be.
Oh.
He's back there?
Yeah, oh my god. So tiny.
He's such a cute baby.
Aw, poor baby. You wanna keep it?
Just keep it. You guys have 8. What's
I
the
know,
problem?
it's too many. The homeowner's gonna kick us out.